Technology has taken over the world, which makes programming a very important and a very necessary asset in this life. Programming is one of the biggest skill which you can acquire in this era. So, as you are on this video, I can guess that you must be interested in programming. But before learning programming, you should decide which language you should learn because there are plenty of options like Python, Java, JavaScript, Go, which creates a lot of option for people who want to learn programming. So today we are going to discuss the top 3 languages which you should learn in 2021 to get a big job or to do something great in 2021 and this 20th century. The first one on our list is JavaScript. JavaScript is the most popular programming language since last 10 years. All of the developers are been using JavaScript from a lot of time. It is in your browser. JavaScript is without a question the default language of the internet. So it is mostly in your browser. JavaScript also exists out of the internet with there are different cross-platform desktop apps and a lot where JavaScript comes into use. JavaScript is ideal for newbies because a lot of people can learn JavaScript and it is very easy to learn. After that, you can also create a lot of visual effects and other eye-catching aesthetics features from this. The growing market of JavaScript it will be a $202 billion of industry around JavaScript in the 2030. So, as a person who has just started programming, JavaScript is the language for you because it is very easy and there is a lot of big community around this, so you can always find support to if you get any error. There are a lot of frameworks like React.js, AngularJS and Vue.js which can provide a great aesthetics and a good support to this programming language, and there are a lot of developers. So as a beginner, you should always go for JavaScript. C++ is one of the oldest programming language and it is mostly used in high performance web services or desktop apps. Most of the programming languages have been built upon it, and there are the skills which you need for C++ and C is the most important skill is problem solving. You should be a good problem solver. It is embedded with both mobile and desktop. The average salary of a C or C++ developer is $76,500 per year. The degree of use it is that C++ is more widely used than C. It is a very beginner friendly, and if you are starting to learn to code, C++ is the language for you because it will provide the best basics for you as well as it will create a strong foundation for you to learn other languages and other new technologies. When it comes to easy to learn programming language, Python is king of that. Python is one of the biggest and one of the most popular languages all around the world nowadays because the different kinds of technologies which are being developed on it. You can either talk about artificial intelligence or machine learning or deep learning. All those things are built on Python, and Python is right there and it is supporting all those new technologies. So according to me, Python is the language of the future, and you should, if you want to do something great in 2021, you should learn Python because the future is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and Python is the basic of that. So if as soon as you start learning Python is a very easy to learn language, and the amount of support which community provides because there is a big community of the developers around it and the different kinds of technologies which you can learn, so that all makes Python a great language to learn. So this was our video about the top 3 programming language. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and this is it for this video guys. Thank you.